Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by checking two essentials: the Watch OS version and that blood oxygen is enabled. Put the Ultra 2 snugly on the top of your wrist so sensors sit flat against skin. Once done, open the blood oxygen app and tap Start. Hold your arm still and relaxed for about 15 seconds while the LEDs and photodiodes read your oxygen level. This first reading establishes a baseline, so avoid talking, sudden movement, or covering the sensor with sleeves. Next, focus on accuracy by controlling environment and posture. Sit calmly with relaxed breathing, remove any tight sleeves, and make sure your wrist is warm because cold reduces blood flow and skews results. Enable background measurements in the Health app if you want periodic overnight readings. This helps track trends without manual checks. Also, reduce bright ambient light on the sensor and avoid motion. Walking or exercising will force the sensor to interpolate and may produce unreliable values. Finish by saving and syncing the reading to the Health app so you can review trends across days and nights. Consistent patterns matter more than single values. If a value looks unlikely, rerun the test after adjusting fit or changing wrist position. Sometimes just a small shift fixes it. If readings stay inconsistent, restart the watch, check sensor cleanliness, and if needed, unpair and repair or contact Apple support. One key tip: clean sensors gently with a lint-free.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.